Hey everyone, Brooke here with another update. All packed. Euros are good to go. Documents officially transferred, passport out and ready, and we are good to go for takeoff. About to take a shower in a bit, get ready to go. Like, when I say get ready to go, I mean have my last sleep here, and then we'll head to the airport by about 7 o'clock or so. We'll get there by about 7:15, 7:30, somewhere around there. Should be all set. Yeah, and then we have TSA pre-check, so security should be a breeze to go through. And customs in Canada and again in Germany should be very simple, very straightforward. We have nothing to declare. And when I say I'm going to Germany, when they ask me what my purpose is, I'm just going to say my purpose is tourism or academic studies. Both are accurate. Oh yeah, I'm also going to see about going for my doctorate. So we'll see how things go. Keeping you updated and informed of everything. We are good to take off. We are going on a CRJ 900 in the morning, which is kind of a dinky aircraft, but not too bad. Then we'll spend roughly 4.5 hours in Toronto, and then we'll be taking an Airbus A330 from Toronto to Frankfurt. So, look forward to that. See you in the air. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.